Hello friends and followers. Well, here's an update on the Ten Tec Paragon I've been working on. I didn't have any power on with this thing, so I wanted to debug this power board, and when I would turn on the front switch I wouldn't get any power. So of course I decided it's all wrong in the power board. So anyway, here's where to find it. It's under this cover here. 3 screws to remove this cover, and then you'll find a little power board is here. They got a fuse here, 20 amp fuse. I took it out and cleaned it up a little bit. There's a big clamping diode here too, which is nice in case you're gonna go reverse polarity and try and blow the radio out. So there's the clamp diode there. There's the fuse, and really the switch here just hits the relay. So here's the power switch here, and that wire is the black and white wire here, which goes right there. And so on the switch itself, they have this little board which takes the load off the switch. All right, so that's how that works. And it turns out, since I took the whole front panel apart to fix the keypad, I goofed up the switchboard. I just didn't have it soldered onto the switch very well, and I was lazy about getting the board off. So I really kind of hurt the switch. But anyway, I got it back on. There's a little board right there. That little board is on top of the switch now. I just lowered the panel and got the board to react. I was gonna buy a new rocker switch for this radio, but since this one's working now, I figure no sense in messing around with it. Let's see. Get some power back into this radio here. Yeah, so it'll turn on now with the switch, which is what I wanted. That's how it should work, of course. But there are worse problems than this. Okay, so that's where to locate that board. It's underneath the cover next to the final PA. That little power board is there. It's a bear to get out. There's 4 screws, and you got to kind of pull it out, but you probably don't have to pull it out, so don't bother with that. So anyway, this radio has worse problems than that. So I've been trying to get the phase lock loop working, as you know, and I've removed the major loop board. My guess is the phase lock loop chip in that board is bad, so I've ordered a new phase lock loop chip, and I've ordered a new socket. And in fact, the board's sitting over here against the wall, sadly, but I'm always afraid of touching it and zapping it. So anyway, the phase lock loop chip goes right there, and I've taken the chip out. I'm just going to put a socket in there and try a new chip. All right, so we'll revisit the radio once that's done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.